Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Byte Bunch, the place where we decode the future, one byte at a time. If you're fascinated by how technology is reshaping our lives, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful forces of our time, artificial intelligence. We're already living in the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer a thing of the future, it's happening right now. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, ask a voice assistant to play your favorite song, or get a product recommendation while shopping online, you're experiencing AI in action. And what's even more mind-blowing, we're just getting started. We are living in the early stages of a massive transformation, one that's being compared to the Industrial Revolution and even the rise of the Internet. Except this time, the machines aren't just doing manual tasks, they're thinking, learning, and adapting. AI is fundamentally reshaping the way we live, work, and make decisions. In this video, we're diving into how AI is already changing our world and what the future might hold. What is artificial intelligence, really? Let's clear something up. AI isn't a single tool or app. It's a whole field of computer science focused on creating systems that can simulate human intelligence. That includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even improving over time without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. Under the AI umbrella, we've got things like machine learning, where systems learn from data to improve performance. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, these systems process information in interconnected layers. Natural language processing, the tech behind chatbots, language translation, and your voice assistants. Computer vision, allowing machines to interpret and understand visual information like recognizing faces or detecting objects in real time. All these elements are already part of tools we use daily, and they're only getting smarter. How AI is transforming healthcare. One of the most exciting applications of AI is in medicine. Doctors are using AI to detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's earlier than ever before. AI-powered systems analyze thousands of medical images in seconds, spotting patterns that even the most experienced radiologists might miss. But AI in healthcare goes beyond diagnosis. It's also used to create personalized treatment plans, monitor patients in real time using wearable devices, predict health issues before they become critical, accelerate the discovery of new drugs by simulating how molecules might interact. Imagine a future where your smartwatch not only tracks your heart rate but can warn you days in advance of a potential health issue and alert your doctor at the same time. That's not science fiction. It's already being tested. AI in finance. Smarter, faster, safer. The financial sector has embraced AI to streamline everything from banking to investing. Have you ever received an alert about suspicious activity on your credit card? That's AI at work, flagging potential fraud based on your spending patterns. AI is also used for algorithmic trading, where machines make investment decisions in milliseconds. Credit risk assessment, using alternative data points to evaluate a borrower. Customer support, with chatbots that handle thousands of inquiries daily. Personal finance, through apps that help you save and invest automatically. Financial institutions trust AI because it can analyze enormous datasets faster than any human, and often with more accuracy. AI in our homes and everyday life. You're probably already surrounded by AI in your daily routine, often without realizing it. When Netflix recommends a movie, Spotify builds a playlist, or Google suggests the fastest route home during traffic, it's AI crunching data and making choices for you. Smart homes are the next frontier. AI-enabled devices like thermostats, lights, security systems, and appliances can learn your habits and optimize energy use or adjust settings to your preferences. Imagine a home that learns when you wake up, what coffee you drink, and when you leave the house, and adjusts itself automatically. Even in the kitchen, app-powered appliances are coming. There are already smart ovens that can recognize the food inside and suggest cooking settings based on your preferences. The workplace evolution. Human plus AI collaboration. Let's talk about jobs. Yes, AI is automating some roles, especially repetitive tasks. But it's also creating new opportunities and transforming how we work. Instead of replacing humans, the future of work will likely be centered around collaboration between people and intelligent systems. Think of doctors working with AI for faster diagnosis, marketers using AI to optimize campaigns, or engineers designing smarter products with AI-assisted simulations. Some of the fastest-growing jobs today didn't even exist 10 years ago, like AI trainers, data annotators, and machine learning engineers. And as AI grows, more hybrid roles will emerge, blending technical understanding with creative and critical thinking. What's crucial now is reskilling. Schools, companies, and governments must focus on preparing people for this new landscape, not just with technical skills, but with adaptability, creativity, and problem-solving. The dark side: risks, bias, and ethics. With great power comes great responsibility. AI brings incredible potential, but also serious risks. One of the biggest concerns is bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the outcomes will be too. This can lead to discrimination in hiring, policing, lending, and more. Then there's the issue of transparency. Many AI models, especially deep learning systems, are so complex that even their creators can't fully explain how they reach certain conclusions. This black box problem raises important questions about accountability and trust. Other concerns include privacy. How much of our personal data is being collected and used? Security. Can AI be weaponized or used for surveillance? Autonomy. Should machines make life and death decisions, like in self-driving cars or military drones? We're entering territory that demands careful regulation and public discussion. Tech companies, governments, and communities must work together to create ethical guidelines that protect individuals while allowing innovation to thrive. The road ahead. What's next for AI? So where do we go from here? Experts believe we're heading toward general AI, systems that don't just do one thing well, but can learn anything a human can. We're not there yet, but progress is accelerating. And even if we never reach full general intelligence, narrow AI is already powerful enough to reshape our world. In the near future, we can expect AI tutors for students, AI assistants for creative work like writing, music, and design, more realistic and emotionally responsive virtual companions, AI in agriculture, helping to grow food more efficiently, AI for climate modeling, helping us tackle global warming. The key is to ensure these advancements are used to uplift humanity, not replace it. Final thoughts. This is just the beginning. AI isn't coming, it's already here, and it's growing rapidly. The choices we make today will shape how AI impacts our future, for better or worse. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about tech. Got questions or thoughts on AI? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And remember, the future isn't written yet. We're building it together. See you in the next one.